Hello?
Yes.
I'm the one that's supposed to talk to you.
I know. Follow my directions. Walk down the corridor. Push the button for the elevator and proceed to the first floor. If you don't know how to use an elevator, you push number 1.
Okay, and then what?
Once you take the elevator down, turn right and head up the staircase to the first floor. And when you're there, call out, "Hello!"
Okay, I'll do it.
When you reach the 4th floor, you will go to the elevator again, where you will meet Mr. Red, and he will give you the rest of your directions.
Sorry, sir, you just scared me a little bit.
Sorry.
Are you the man in red?
Yes, I am. You must be the chosen one. I spoke to the big one about you. And now I must direct you on your path. It won't be easy. It never is.
Mr. Red, I've broken down. I don't know where there might be my alternator.
What?
You don't happen to have any spare jumper cables on you, do you?
As a matter of fact, I never leave home without them.
Lightning and realms and Figaro snails.
You're a real lifesaver, Mr. Red. Real lifesaver.
No, I'm not. But you know what saves lives?
Dancing.
That's right. Mama say, mama what? Mama say, mama what? Mama say, mama what? Mama say, mama. Mama say, mama what? Mama say, mama what? Mama say, mama what? Mama what?
They always dance without me.
Mamu.